In order to sum a column in Google Sheets, the first thing you want to do is you want to locate your sequence right over here or the numbers that you want to sum. Then go to the bottom of the column, go ahead and press on it just like so. Then enter in the equals button and you want to go ahead and type in the sum function. Then we're going to go ahead and include a parentheses, and the parentheses are going to indicate the range of cells that we want to go ahead and sum. So remember, we are trying to sum this entire column over here. So that means we need to sum from B2 all the way down to B10. So go ahead and start out by typing in B2, then add that colon and go ahead and type in B10. And typically it is going to automatically fill it in for you. So you need to go ahead and type in a function that looks like this. Then go ahead and just press on enter just like so. Then it is going to give you the sum of this entire sequence. And you can do this regardless of how big the sequence is. If the sequence is a little bit bigger, then you can go ahead and do the same thing. Obviously, you're going to need to adjust the inside cells a little bit, but it will still get the job done. And what's really cool is that even if you update a number from the sequence, for example, it is then going to update the sum in return. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.